Welcome to What the Fun English. I'm Becky.
And I'm Josh. And today we explore the routine of a pet owner, a man and his very energetic dog.
Very energetic. Josh, guess what happens first thing in the morning?
The owner wakes up slowly?
Nope, the dog wakes up slowly. The owner wakes up quickly.
Because the dog jumps on the bed?
Not exactly. He waits at the door, just stands there, staring.
The door stare, powerful technique.
Very powerful. So the owner gets up and gives him dog food.
Fast eater?
Lightning.
Dog food? Gone. Repeat after me, everyone. Dog food, very important word today.
Yes, dog food. You will hear it again, trust me. So after the dog food moment, what next? I'm guessing walk?
Correct. The dog looks at the door again. Same position, same message.
Door stare, part 2.
Exactly. And now, here is the owner describing this moment.
In the morning, my dog is full of energy. Oh, God. I give him dog food and fresh water. We go outside for a short walk. He sniffs every tree, and I follow him slowly, very slowly. It is a simple start, but a happy one.
I love how he says, I follow him slowly. He follows, the dog leads. Classic.
And after the walk, the owner tries to start work from home.
Tries?
Yes, because the dog brings a toy, a ball, then a rope, then another ball.
A rotation of toys.
Exactly. And the dog drops the toy, drop, and waits.
The silent request. Play with me.
And the owner plays fetch for 1 minute.
1 minute? Only 1 minute?
He tries to work, Josh. Not everyone can take 4 coffee breaks of morning.
Hey, my coffee breaks are educational.
Right, educational. So after fetch, the owner returns to work.
But the dog returns to hope.
Beautifully said. And in the afternoon, they go to the park.
And here we find new characters.
Yes, other pet owners. Same park, same time, same dogs.
Ah, the park friends. They never plan to meet, but they always meet.
Exactly. And they say simple, friendly things like, "How is your dog today? He has a lot of energy."
That sentence again, a lot of energy. Repeat after me, listeners. Energy. Dogs have it, humans want it.
And after the park, it is sometimes bath time.
Here we go.
The owner washes the dog with warm water. The dog is calm until the towel appears.
The towel is the enemy.
Because after the towel, he shakes water everywhere.
Every dog. Why? Why, Becky?
Because chaos is fun.
Not for the floor?
And now here's the owner again, his afternoon and evening in simple English.
In the afternoon, I take my dog to the park. He plays with other dogs, and I talk to other owners. It is simple and friendly. When we go home, I wash him if he is dirty, you know? He is good, but he shakes water everywhere. Oh boy, I laugh every time. In the evening, we go for a short walk again. Then he eats his dinner, and I eat mine. We play with the rope for a few minutes. After that, he rests, and I rest too. It is a good day.
Okay. This routine is adorable. Park, play, rope, bath, shake, repeat.
The shake is my favorite part. You can really see it.
And simple and friendly. I love that.
And now it's your turn, listeners. Try one sentence about a routine.
Start simple. My daily routine is, or my friend Lucas has a dog. His dog.
1 or 2 sentences, perfect practice.
And keep listening to What the Fun English for more real routines and simple English.
And maybe for more dog stories.
I want a dog.
No, you don't.
Maybe a small one.
See you next time.
Bye.